Hi, this is Dr. Srikanth from Team MDS Conquer. Now I'm going to give a brief glance of what to be done and what you need to focus from the subject biochemistry. So before going into the video, okay, most of us and most of the students has a phobia towards this particular subject called as biochemistry. And this phobia leads to many things: neglecting this subject, okay, or completely quitting this subject. The quitting can be of different reasons, because I have seen most of the mentors clearly telling quit biochemistry. Okay, biochemistry doesn't carry marks, biochemistry doesn't have proper scoring, and I don't believe all these things. Okay, every subject has their equal importance in the examination point of view, and there is nothing to be left and there is nothing to be quitted. Okay, for example, it's very simple. Like you have a small family or a big family. Okay, you have a family, you have a mother, you have a father, you have your brothers, you have your sisters, you have your grands and everything, like, right? So in a family there are few individuals, or there may be one or two persons who are very strict, okay, about their things, or who are like very like sounds to be very odd, something like, okay. So when any of your father or a mother or any of these candidates who are like very strict and who doesn't uh, work things properly with you, or like you have something in your mind, they don't agree for that, okay. So what you have to do is you have to show utmost respect, you have to show utmost love, you have to do all the sorts of favors. And this is going to be same like in a department. Like for example, if you take my department, we have like eight people, okay, eight staff we used to have. And out of these eight, like two are like more tough. So what we used to do, like in these two, whenever you have to show a case or whenever you have to present something to these two people, you should be more careful. Okay, you should add that more respect. You should be more careful. You should add more love. Okay, so biochemistry is such a subject which accepts more love, okay, which has to be given more attention, okay. So which has to be like, you need to keep some extra work, some extra caution, some extra seriousness to this subject, because this subject really requires this. When you do this, biochemistry is going to be simple, okay. So my point is very very clear, okay. Remove that norm that biochemistry is an odd subject, remove that norm that biochemistry is a tough subject, okay. You start showing some sort of respect and love towards this, okay. Then you are going to love this subject, and then if you start loving this subject, it's going to stay in your mind for a longer duration of time. This principle is same applicable for your pharmacology. Pharmacology is other tough memory based subject, okay, similarly like biochemistry. So for these two subjects you require some more focus, okay. You need to add some more time, you need to add some more respect, you need to add some more hard work. So this is my point, okay. Start showing some more seriousness towards this subject, so that this subject is going to stay in your brain for a longer duration of time. Okay, that is the first thing that I want to stress before I start this subject. And second thing, if you split biochemistry, okay, so biochemistry can be split into the following ways. The most important thing in examination point of view is your carbohydrates, your proteins, your lipids. Of course, the most important thing is the vitamins and minerals. Okay, rest all you have your enzymes, you have your nucleic acids, and you have lots more to be done in this particular subject. What the team job is to make it as simple as possible, okay, so that you can retain, you can revise, and you can practice a number of MCQs. My point is very very clear. So this is going to be a combo of bio plus pharma, that is a part of chemotherapy, will be covered here, okay. So you keep some reserve days for chemotherapy. So slowly we'll start chemotherapy every day, okay. From tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll start chemotherapy. A part of chemotherapy will be done on the activity, okay. So what to be done and where to be done, okay. So the reference book is always you're the best book, like what you're following from your undergraduation level, that is your Satyanarayana, okay. So just follow this book as a reference, okay. Make sure you don't keep any n number of references, stick on to this reference book. The second thing, like about your sources of reading, keep your sources of reading for this subject very limited. Okay, the first source of the reading should be your dental pulse. Okay, so dental pulse, you can split it into two parts. One is synopsis and second one are the MCQs. And then I want you guys to focus more on PP books too, because PP books we made biochemistry with lots of mnemonics, lots of content, which will definitely make your subject easy. Okay, so again, it has your PP books has synopsis content, tables content, and MCQs content. Apart from this, there are few other PDFs that are going to share on the group. Okay, the third content is the PDFs that I'm going to share on the group. Okay, so these are the three main sources for you to get prepared. Okay, so what you need to do, like for example, general biochemistry along with, I want you guys to do all the miscellaneous stuff, okay, on the day one. Okay, so that you're going to do directly from the textbook. You have a first chapter which moves around the contents of cell, difference between eukaryotic, prokaryotic, and all the basics. Okay, basics of 6 or 7 pages are there. I want you guys to finish that textbook reading. Then I want you guys to move to the dental pulse synopsis, dental pulse MCQs part of this particular general biochemistry, as well as the miscellaneous part. I want you guys to do that on the day one. Okay, it's very simple. Finish it as fast as possible, then jump to the day two topics, that is structure of carbohydrates and metabolism, that you are going to start every day for all these subjects, that is carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals, and your enzymes and nucleic acids. You're going to start synopsis of the dental pulse. You have somewhere around like 10 pages, 7 to 10 pages synopsis of the dental pulse. Okay, I want you guys to cover that 10 to 15 pages synopsis, okay, individually for every subject. For example, if you're starting carbohydrates, cover the synopsis of carbohydrates first. Okay, then start doing MCQs, or cover the synopsis of the carbohydrates first, then go ahead with the smart video that is available on the website. Okay, then make yourself strong, then start solving MCQs that are present in the dental pulse, as well as the contents of the PP books. Okay, so whatever the modifications that are stressed, okay, which are missing in the MCQ books, or which you are missing everywhere, and the recent modifications, recent things to be done around biochemistry will be updated in the PDFs and will be given as a notification of the group. Okay, so small changes and focused things will be posted as an update. Individual like lipids, where you have to do, what you have to focus on, everything will be discussed specifically on the group. And coming to the set of marks, I don't want to talk much about the set of marks. This subject has its own importance in the final exam. That can be NEET, or that can be INI-CET, that can be any sort of examination you are planning for. Biochemistry questions will be there for sure. And biochemistry values, or the biochemistry information, is almost again integrated to general medicine in many aspects. Such case-based stuff will also be discussed, and few of the videos will be updated on the website in the biochemistry part. Okay, so this is what first day I want you guys to finish the textbook reading of the first chapter. Okay, and followed by I want you guys to finish the MCQs of the particular chapter, that is general biochemistry and miscellaneous part. From next day, for every subject, do the synopsis of dental pulse, finish the video content of smart videos that are available on the website. Then after, I want you guys to do as number of MCQs as possible and attend the evening activity. Biochemistry has to be splitted and you have to read it. Okay, so don't keep entire biochemistry because biochemistry is going to make you weak. Okay, because biochemistry is more of a memory based aspects, moving around enzymes, you have to remember the enzymes names, moving around the cycles, you have to remember the cycle names, you'll have tables, you'll have diseases and all this stuff. Okay, so your PP books is a power pack of all the memory based tables, memory based single liners and everything. So simultaneously I want you guys to do the PP books along with the dental pulse and other sources that are going to be shared on your respective groups. Okay, so this is a time that you need to keep yourself cool with biochemistry and the increasing the temperature. Okay, so make sure you try to give your best add that extra seriousness and extra respect and extra love to the biochemistry so that the subject will be easy and simple. Done for now. Signing off, Dr. Srikanth from Team MTS Concur.